So we're going to finish up on the ticket by putting the seat location so that it's both on the main ticket and the perforated ticket. So what we want to do is we're going to merge this so that every ticket has a specific seat placement. So the first thing we'll do is click Mailings, and then you'll choose Select Recipients, choose an existing list, and you should find this somewhere that you saved it already in your files, and it's called Seat List. So, and it's an Excel file, so Seat List, and then click Open. And you make sure that Stadium $ is the one that's selected, and OK. And these are all the seat locations. There's quite a few of them. So what we're going to do is we want to pick out a certain seat ticket for this information. So under the data source, select the actual file, seat list, and then what we're going to do is actually choose filter. And for the field that we're looking for is going to be level, and then the comparison not equal to, and we'll type pit. It's not equal to pit we're looking for, and then you'll go ahead and click OK. And if you notice, all of the pit seats are gone, it's just the levels, and then you'll click OK. So now what we're going to do is set up, well, where is this ticket information going to go on this particular ticket? So we're actually going to create a text box. So instead of just a plain text box, we're going to get fancy. So choose Insert, Shapes, and we're looking for what's called Bevel. So go ahead and select Bevel, and then it's going underneath No Flash Photography. And it comes out red, which is fine, but we want the font, so you're going to right-click and choose Add Text, but then also go to Home and change the text color to Accent 5 White. Then we will type the ticket information. So now with your cursor positioned in the beveled box, you're going to click the Mailings tab, Insert Merge Field, and choose Level. And it has the correct merge field dialog boxes. So you'll press space bar. Press the space bar, type seat, space. You're going to then go back to Insert Merge Field, and this time select row, and then go back to Insert Field and choose seat. And I'm learning out of space, so I'm just going to make it a little bit wider so we can see it all. There we go. And I just need to move it over just so slightly. Maybe make the race car a little bit smaller. Then what we're going to do is we're going to copy this and put it over here above Sonic Saturday. So I had trouble with the copy and paste, but I'm going to try it again. So hold Control. Now it's working. Control and click. And again, rotate. Move it over. So it'll be on both the main ticket and the perforated ticket. So now what we need to do is just merge them together. Now we're ready to see if our merge feature worked. So click Finish and Merge, and then we'll select Merge to Printer. And there you have your tickets. And you can notice that the seats are changing. Level 1, seat A2, A2, A2. And if you wanted to just check others, you can see that they're working. So while you're back here, you can go ahead and save as and submit. Thank you.